All right, so I'm trying various toothpastes right now, trying to find the one that I like the absolute most, and especially one that claims to help with periodontitis, which is what my dentist said I had recently. So this is the one I'm going to try today. It's called Keredu Smoother Texture Anhydrous Formula Toothpaste for early to mid-stage of periodontitis. So it does say that it's recommended by oral experts, so we're going to give this a try and see how it feels, how it does for me. Bonus points if it helps with tooth or gum sensitivity. So let's get a little bit on my toothpaste or toothbrush here. Looks like a very, very thick paste. Definitely looks thicker and darker than other toothpastes that I've tried so far. It's like a really dark off-white is what it looks like. So we're gonna put this in my mouth and see how it tastes, see how it feels, and we'll go from there. It's hard to explain, but when I first started using it, I thought it tasted kind of like a dentist office. Not quite minty, but very fresh. And as I continued to use it, that kind of went away a little bit, but it definitely tasted fresh and not unpleasant at all. But yeah, after using it, rinses off the toothbrush just fine. My mouth feels fresh, my teeth feel good, and hopefully it helps with my periodontitis. We'll see. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.